Hello there. You've just registered your students for the Hour of Code event, and now you want your students to get started on coding. So let's look at some of the courses that they have. You have all of these courses here, or these actual coding games here. You have course 1 for your K1 students, that would be ages 4 through 6. Then you have course 2 for ages 6 through 8. This could be your second grade and up. Course 3 for ages 8 through 18. And course 4 for ages 10 through 18. Let's go ahead and see how we can start monitoring our students' progress. So we're going to go to code.org. Once we are in code.org, click on the gold button that says sign in. Once you click on that button, you're going to go ahead and put the same information in that you used to sign up for the Hour of Code event, and the same password. So you'll need your email address, password, click sign in. Once you have signed in, go over here to the teacher home page. The teacher home page is the area where you can monitor your students' progress. So you're going to click on student accounts and progress. Once you do that, go ahead and click on new section. When you click on new section, you want to give your section a name, and I'm going to call my section Little Eagles because my students are going to be soaring through the Hour of Code. You can call yours the Titans or whatever you prefer. There are different types of logins. You can log in by word, and the system will automatically assign your students a word to log in, or picture. Automatically the system will do that, or the email address. I'm going to use the picture because I'm going to be dealing with 4th graders, and I'm going to start them on course 1 because that's for K1 students. Then I will click save. Once I click save, go over here to where it says manage students. When you click manage students, you want to look to your right, and it's going to say add multiple students. You want to add multiple students because you're going to add your class. Click on that button, and then you'll see this window where it says type or paste the names of the students, and you're only going to have 1 student per line. I already have my roster ready, so I'm going to copy and paste my student roster here, and then I'm going to go back to my teacher home page, and I'm going to paste those names right in this box. Then I will click done. Once I click done, you will see that all of my students are here, but I need to save this list here. So I'm going to click save all. Once the save all list populates, this is where I will be. So after I save all, here is the link that you're going to need for your students to have access to your sign in for the Hour of Code. So you can either create a QR code for this, or you can send this link out to them through Google Classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this link here. I'll copy the link, and also you might want to print out this student logins for your students, and I'll show you how that looks in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and create another tab, and I will paste that link in there. Now you're looking at my student's name. Welcome to Little Eagles, and the Little Eagles have their names. And I'm going to step back a minute, and you can see just where I've assigned my students different, well, the system has. They've given them their picture. Leilani has a little ninja. How will your students know that that's their image? Print these cards out for your students, and once that page loads, they will see their name, their image, log in, and they will quickly be able to identify how they're going to log in. And you can just print this out here. So here is where you're going to get the code for them to sign in. Now, on this sheet, View Progress is where you want to go in order to view your students' progress. So here you have the students haven't started their coding yet, but once they start, these little circles here will start moving across the page as they go into their various stages. It's really simple, guys, how they do this. So go ahead and get your kids started coding with the Hour of Code. Monitor their progress, make it a healthy competition, and have fun.